I just want to be the first to break the news to you all. Well, this looks a little bit different, but today we are doing a long overdue sit down.
Shared my dream with you until the morning. Everybody else have done it right.
Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I know this looks a little bit different, but today we are doing a long overdue sit down. I just wanted to chat with you guys, kind of keep you abreast of what's happening and just a few updates. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. My name is Tiana. I do lifestyle and home decor videos, a little bit of everything, and you get the vibe. If that resonates with you, please consider subscribing to my channel. You are gonna love it here. Okay, all right, so let's get into this video. So I just want to be the first to break the news to you all before I post it on my Instagram, because I post a lot on Instagram, but I want my YouTube family to be the first to know. I am doing a surgery again. Now, if you've been rocking with me from I just started my channel, I think one of my first videos was when I did my fibroid surgery, and my channel changed and grew. But fast forward 2025, we are doing another surgery, unfortunately. No, I don't want to say unfortunately, because everything happens for a reason. But yeah, here we are. So what am I doing? What's this procedure for? I am repairing a ventral hernia that I have. So I have a hernia that's right above my belly button, and it's protruded, and my rectus abdominis, that's what it's called, I don't even remember, but I'm fixing my diastasis recti. That's where the muscles right here in my tummy, they are separated, so they're like this, and we are gonna fix those. And all of that happened during pregnancy with my beautiful baby girl Tennille, so it was so worth it. But when you have a hernia, you want to make sure you get it taken care of, because you don't want your organs to start pushing through and start having complications. So right now, when my CT scan shows that I have a lot of fat that's pushing through, so we want to close that up, fix that, and also to give my core some stability. So we are fixing my separated muscles. Now, when I share this with a certain women, a lot of women don't even know that this is a thing, or don't even know that we go through these complications while being pregnant and giving birth, but you do. So I would say, if you're having any doubts or your stomach looks protruded, go see a doctor. Now, it doesn't matter what I have on, as y'all can tell, you probably see it in my photos. My belly just always look big, so that's because of the diastasis recti. Now, I was going to physical therapy with it, but didn't help. And since I started to take my health really seriously, exercising and everything, I started Pilates. That has helped a lot, and I realized that I still have a lot of strength in my core, and I decided to fix it. So with Pilates, with the gym, with eating healthy, with weight loss, I'm like, you know what, it's time to get my body right, or better, in a better shape. And that's not even it. As I said, I just don't want any further complications, so I want to make sure I'm walking on the safe and narrow path. So what does this mean? It doesn't mean anything. I'm gonna be down for a while. I'll still try to post content here or there, but if my recovery time is gonna be a bit longer, if it was just my ventral hernia, recovery is about 4 weeks, but because I am repairing I'm stitching my muscles together, recovery is up to 6 weeks. And in between that, I'll be taking care of myself. But my mom is here, so I'm not worried. My mom is here, my husband is here, so I'm not worried. It's just that I don't like to be down. I do a lot, I work a lot, so to be down, I am already dreading the moment. But I'm gonna take the moment to reconnect with myself. Ever so often, I like to look back on the things that I'm doing and how I can change them, and be better for the rest of the year. So I'm just gonna take the time to reflect. Sometimes God put these things in our way to slow us down, and to think about life and everything. So that's what I'm doing. I am a girl's girl, and I just want to let y'all know, and I know males watch me too, and I appreciate that. I always blush when I talk about the males that are watching my channel, because I feel like my channel is so girly. I've said this before, so thank y'all so much. But as a woman, I think I said this earlier, but as a woman, we need to understand our body, do a lot of research on your body, because I've been doing so much research on my body. It's crazy the amount of things I found out about myself the past 3 months since I fell back and started taking my weight loss and my health really seriously. Like, I am so annoying with it. So I know we get caught up in being a mom, being a wife, being a daughter, being everything and everyone to everyone, and sometimes we lose ourselves. So we have to take the time out to find ourselves, know what we are worth, know what we want, and sometimes it just takes a quick minute for you to sit down, talk with yourself, talk with God, and you'll never know. You'll find out what the issue is. So after I had to kneel, I've been telling my doctor at the time, my gyno at the time, that I think something is up with the shape of my belly. And she was like, you know what, give your body grace, yada, yada, yada. And because I had on a lot of weight, it didn't affect me because I was just all in one. But now that I'm losing the weight and I have a long way to go, I'm like, I just cannot continue like this. So that's why I decided to get this procedure. So I'm just saying this to say, as women, we need to love ourselves, find time for ourselves. It's hard, but finding time for yourself is so, so, so important. As for the content, as I said, I'm gonna still be posting. If you are not following me on Instagram, please go ahead and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is tiahnamrose. My TikTok is tiahnamrose. I post every day on Instagram. So even if I miss a day or days here on YouTube, I am posting on Instagram. So within the incoming weeks, I'm just gonna work on my content. Comments below and let me know the type of content you guys want to see. I know y'all love the vlogs, but and I love the vlogs too, but I kind of have to work with whatever my back office and my analytics is showing me. So if y'all love the vlogs, you gotta watch the vlogs so I can put out more vlogs. I like to put out videos that are getting the views. So yeah, but that's what I'll be working on. And I think I touched base on everything. By the time you guys see this video, I'll probably do the surgery, but in advance, I just want to say thank you all so, so, so much for the support. It means so much to my family and I. We appreciate you all so much. I have a lot of work coming up to be done, but I am going to take the time to heal. I'm going to take the time to rest, and I'm going to take the time to reflect and get my mind right spiritually, mentally, and physically, because fall is here and Christmas is right around the corner. So drop your comments below, ask me any questions that you want to ask me. I'll try to do a follow-up after my recovery, even though it takes a while, but I'll try to do a follow-up with how I feel. But again, I am a girl's girl, and to any woman out there not feeling her best self, find someone to talk to. You never know, find someone to talk to. So that's my little update so far on that. What else do I need to update you guys on? I'm thinking. I think that's the most important update. Everything else just falls under health. And, I'm just trying to take better care of myself. I'm in Invisalign now for 1 year. Yes, I am still on the journey, but my smile is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. I have a few more trays to go. Every time I go and I think my journey is finished, I have to get more trays. We're trying to fix right here. And my teeth weren't bad. Well, that's what I thought. But damn, 1 year in Invisalign, probably they were bad. But yeah. So yeah, I'm just trying to take as much care as I can, because I have to be my better self in order to be the best mom to my girls. So I'm just taking care of myself. So yeah, Invisalign, I've always had like a scalp problem. I'm going to the dermatologist religiously, and I am working out religiously, doing Pilates. Love Pilates. This is your sign to do Pilates. If you were ever wondering, should I do it? Is it worth it? It is absolutely worth it. If you want a stronger core and you want dedication and you want to connect your mind to your body, then Pilates is the way to go. I've seen some girlies on TikTok talk about the other the upper ones from Pilates. I don't know. I can only talk for Pilates. It has helped me so much, and I can't wait to be fully back to myself. I know I'm gonna have to start over from level one, but that's okay as long as I am going to Pilates. I'll be fine. So yeah, so those are just some of the ways that I am that I'm taking care of myself. And my biggest thing is procrastinating and being resilient and being consistent, and I'm working on that. Still not the best, but I am working on that. So yeah, any other updates, I always throw them in the vlog, but that's it. Thank you guys so much again for the support. I'm ending this video right here, and in advance, thank you guys so much for your well wishes. Wish me well, and hopefully I go through that surgery. With the grace of God, I will, and I'll be back before you know it. That doesn't mean I'm stopping the channel or anything. You'll get updates here or there from me. Comments below and let me know what you guys want to see. I'm willing to honor that, but y'all gotta do your part. You gotta like the video, you gotta comment, and you gotta share the video. All right, y'all, I will see you all in the next video, or shorts, or on Instagram, or on TikTok. See you guys. Bye.